Now, we are going to prove one property of the external angles of a triangle. We're going to write the title first, move into media, text, and here we're going to write external angles of a triangle. Okay, we're going to create one this time, but instead of use first polygons, we are going to use rays. By this way, we're going to create the first one, A to B, from B to C, and from C to A. Now we're going to remark it using the polygon. A, B, C, and come back to A. Now we're going to create an extra point here, moving to point, and we're going to create one more. Starting on A, another one on B, and another one next to C. And we're going to find the measure of all the angles here. Moving to angles. First, the internal angles, A, B, C, then B, C, A, and C, A, B. Now we're going to do with the external angles, starting with the point D, then A, and now V. Now E, V, C. Now F, C, and A. Now we're gonna move this values because we need to see it. And now we're going to try to have exact values here. So we're going to move to these three lines, settings, and rounding, we're gonna write 0 decimals. Remember that if you want, you can change the color of the triangle, making click in the middle and choosing this option. And you can do the same with the angles here, with the color of the angles, but we're not going to do now. Okay. We have here the angles, here we have the external angles, 108, 108, 124, and 127. The internal angles are 72, 86, and 53, 56 and 53. Okay, we're gonna check now that if we add the internal angles, we are going to get the opposite angles here. So we're going to prove it. We're going to add 72 plus 53, and we're going to see what is happening here. Okay, the rule says that if I add the angle A, plus the measure of the angle C, I have to get the angle EVC because it's the opposite and external angle. I'm gonna get the measure of the angle EVC. We're going to prove this. We have the measure of the angle A, that it's 72 degrees, plus the measure of the angle C, that it's 53. And now we're gonna see if this is true. 3 plus 2, it's 5. And 2 plus 7, it's 12. Okay, in this case, if you can see, it's not exact the same value, but remember that we are not rounding this angle, so it's near to just one number, one value, 1 degree. So we can say that this is true. We're gonna check what happened with the angle B and the angle C, and we need to get the angle D. So we're going to write again that if I add the measure of the angle V plus the measure of the angle C, we're gonna get the measure of the angle DAB. that it's the external and opposite angle. The measure of the angle B is 56 plus the measure of the angle C that it's 53, and 6 plus 3 is 9, and 5 plus 5 it's 100. If you can see again, we have a number, an extra number here, an extra degree, but remember again that we round this degrees. So it's true even if we have one decimal here. So we can say that it's true, it's rule, sorry, it's true. We're gonna write it. And we're gonna have this as a rule because we have already proved with this one.